Alright, and we are live. Good evening po sa inyong lahat mga kaguro. And of course, welcome back to Gurong Pinoy. We would like to especially welcome back the members of Team Piaget. Hello po and good evening to members ng ating Team Piaget. Again, if you are still not a member and you are taking the LEP this September, pwede pa po kayong humabol. Meron pa rin po tayong promo until the end of this month. So again, please to become a member of Team Piaget so that you can watch the full-length video, you can answer our quizzes, you can enjoy our free pre-board, free final coaching, and of course you can download our PDF files. Okay, so again, all the videos, all the files are just in Team Piaget, on Team Piaget, and so you can just easily go back to all our files there and all our videos na full length doon po sa ating Team Piaget. Now again, if you will be taking the LEP in March next year, meron din po tayong newest team, no, which is called Team Bruner. Again, we are going to be opening our registration for Team Bruner starting August 1st. No? So this August, by the end of the month, no, yung end ng ating promo. Then again, for Team Bruner naman po, August 1st, ang ating first day of registration, there's going to be discounts for the first 300 students. So again, antabayanan niyo po yung ating announcements for Team Bruner. And of course, continue your movie marathon. Balikan lahat ng ating videos sa ating YouTube channel. There's so many videos, almost 500 videos that can of course help you conquer the LEP. Now, also, malapit-tapit na yung results ng ating June 2022 na licensure exam for teachers. So, inaabangan din natin no, yung mga ating mga magiging bagong LPTs and of course yung ating mga bagong top-notchers. Now, tonight's discussion is centered on general education. Medyo napuruhan tayo ng math ngayon, no? So, there's so many math items. Again, wala po tayong kawala sa math. We have no choice. Pero kailangan nating i-learn, kailangan nating aralin yung math, kailangan nating malaman kung paano i-solve manually yung ating mga problems. Again, there's no calculator in general education. The only people who are allowed to use their calculators are the math majors, no? So the rest of the majors at of course yung B.Ed, wala po tayong calculator sa general education. So math major, sa majorship lamang po nila sila allowed to use a calculator. Now again, this is general education. Before we start, let us all have our opening prayer. Dear Lord, I come to you to ask for your guidance and direction in this study session. I ask that the Holy Spirit fill me with strength, creativity, and understanding to get through my studies without difficulty or sin. Help me hold my focus and attention. Help me to retain all that I learned. Please make my mind sharp and keep distractions at bay. If any part of my studying is weak or lacking in some way, let it be revealed so that I may correct it. Thank you for this opportunity to learn. Amen. All right, now once again, this is general education. Please do like, love, share this video, start a watch party, tag your friends, and of course, send us stars if you can on Facebook and also super stickers on YouTube. Maraming salamat to all our star senders. Again, pag-send po ng inyong stars to show your support to Guru and of super stickers naman po sa YouTube. Maraming salamat to all our star senders. Babalikan ko po in a few minutes yung inyong mga names. And of course, for all the viewers na nandyan po sa ating Facebook, no, pag-like na po, love, share our video. Ganun din sa ating YouTube channel, like, love, share this video. Of course, start a watch party, tag your friends. Okay, and we will start with question number 1. Okay, number 1. Again, please do like, love, and share this video. Ma'am Daisy Abendanyo, maraming salamat for sending us stars. Okay, question number 1. In the following numbers, which digit is in the thousandths place? You have 5,672 point, the following numbers, okay? Is it letter A, 6, letter B, 4, letter C, 3, or letter D, 9? Ma'am Fime Ruz Noni Theodona, maraming salamat po for the stars. Again, thank you to all our star senders. Please do like, love, share this video. Napaka-importante po that you are sharing our video na napakalaking tulong po sa Gurong Pinoy that you are sharing our video. So maraming salamat po sa ating mga star senders, super chatters, super sticker senders, and of course to all our sharers. Okay, what's your answer? Number 1. Okay, question number 1. Ano po ang inyong choice? question number 1 po tayo. What is our choice for question number 1? Ma'am Ayla Ken or Sir Ayla Ken the second? Ma'am or sir, maraming salamat po for the stars. Thank you so much. Okay, I see B's. Karamihang choice niyo ay letter B sa ating chat box. May iilang letter C, may iilang letter D. Okay? Alin kaya ang tumpak na choice na medyo elementary itong ating question. So, dapat wala namang solving, no? Wala namang calculations na kailangan dito sa number 1 natin. Dapat alam nyo na kung ano yung sagot dito. Okay, now looking at the place value of the different numbers that we have. Now, if you have this number right here, you have 6 billion, etc. You have this decimal point here. Now, going to the left, the first digit that you have is in the ones place. Then you have 6 here in the tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s, 100,000s, and so on. Now, after naman po ng ating decimal point, you start with the tenths. Okay? If you can see, as you can see, those that come after your decimal point would all end with THS. And we don't start with ones, no? Wala pong ones na 1 and THS. But we start with tenths, okay? So going back to the item that we have, we are being asked for the thousands place. So if you have your decimal point right here, your 1 digit here, this digit 1 is in the tenths place, then you have the hundreds place, then you have the thousands place. And so sa makatuwid, ang correct choice is letter B. It is 4. Now, so thousands place is the digit 4. So, congratulations sa ating mga nakatumpak. Medyo marami din namang naligwak, no? Again, wala po tayong choice kundi mahalin yung math. Okay, meron po talaga mga bagay-bagay na mahirap mahalin, pero kailangan nating mahalin, no? Sa ngalan ng lisensya. Okay, we should conquer math so that we can conquer the length. Okay, so number 1, letter B po, ang tumpak na choice. Ma'am Angeline, ligwak na, number 1 pa lang. Okay lang po yan. Okay, question number 2. Which of these math sentences is incorrect? You have the following math sentences, okay? You are given fractions and you have the answers, okay? Now, as you can see, all our fractions are dissimilar fractions, no? These are the fractions that are not having or they do not have the same denominator. And so usually if we have this, what you do is you find the GCF and you have to convert your fractions into similar fractions and then you can proceed with addition. So yung ating question is, which one is incorrect? Saan dito yung incorrect? Okay, you have A, B, C, or D. I see C sa ating comment box. Tumpak kaya yung letter C, no? Pag ikaw ay math major, medyo mani-mani, no? Medyo peanuts na lang to sa'yo. Alam mo na to, no? It's just going to be a walk in the park for our math major. But of course, sa mga ibang majors naman and sa mga B.Ed, lalo na pag medyo allergic tayo sa math, no? Karamihan kasi sa mga Pinoy, allergic sa math, medyo hirap and of course, ayaw na minsan mag-solve, no? So, again, sinabi ko nga wala po tayong choice. Kailangan nating mahalin yung math para magkaroon ng lisensya, okay? That's why we are having a review para tayo ay mahimasmasan at tayo ay matuto, no? So, okay lang po kahit na ligwak dito sa Gurong Pinoy. Ang importante ay makatumpak sa ating LET para magkaroon tayo ng lisensya. Sir Fitzgerald Barayro, maraming salamat po for sending 75 stars. Thank you so much. Okay, I see letter C sa ating comment box. Okay, so again, if you have dissimilar fractions, you need to find the GCF, no? And then, of course, you have to divide the denominator or the GCF by the denominator, then multiply it by the numerator, no? And then kopyahin. You put the answer as your numerator, and then you copy the GCF, no? Now, there is a technique, there is a shortcut method, yung sinasabi nating butterfly method, no? So what you do, if you have your dissimilar fractions 1/2 and 1/3 here, what you do is you multiply the numerator and denominator of your two fractions. Okay, so cross multiplication tinatawag. So you have 1 times 3, that would give you 3. Then you have 2 times 1, that would give you 2. Then you multiply your denominator. So 2 times 3, that's 6. Okay, mas madali ito kaysa yung maghahanap ka ng GCF minsan. But of course, if you are a math major, titingnan mo lang, alam mo na kung ano yung magiging sagot. Now, since you already have a common denominator here, you can already proceed with your your addition. So 3 plus 2 is simply 5, and you copy your denominator 6. So 5, 6, that's correct. Okay, so letter A is tumpak. Now, what about the rest of your choices? Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Now, 1/3 plus 1/4. So 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. Then 3 times 4 is 12. 4 plus 3 is 7 over 12. So letter B is also tumpak, no? We go to letter C. 1 times 3 is 3. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. 3 plus 14 is 17 over 21. Now, as you can see, you have 3 here. And so, yung tumpak na choice here would be letter C. Now, but let's take a look at your choice D. Now, 1 times 8 is 8. 6 times 1 is 6. 8 times 6 or 6 times 8 is 48. 8 plus 6 is 14 over 48. So again, yung ating choice here would be letter C. Siya yung mali. Now, we are looking for your incorrect math sentence. Okay? So nahulaan lamang yung iba, no? Yung ibang math major, titingnan lamang alam na kung ano yung inyong magiging sagot. So for number 2, it's letter C. Letter C po ang ating tumpak na choice for question number 2. Again, if you are a member of Team Piaget, you can easily download our presentation later. No? So there's no need for you to take any screenshots. There's no need for you to take any notes. Okay, dahil na-download po yung ating materials, pwede din namang i-print if you want. Okay, number 3. The least common multiple of 5, 2, 7 is blank. Letter A, 140. Letter B, 35. Letter C, 15. Or letter D, 70. What's your choice for number 3? Very easy. Elementary math, we're just looking for your LCM, sometimes also called LCD, no, if you have a fraction. Okay, Ma'am Marjeline Dizon Munoz, maraming salamat for sending us 75 stars. Thank you so much po. Ganon din kay Ma'am Joanne Wapilye Nini. Thank you for sending 99 stars. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Joanne. Again, please do like, love, share our video. Maraming salamat sa mga nag-start ng watch party. And of course, for liking, loving, and sharing our video, maraming salamat po. Okay, I see these sa ating comment box. Okay, letter D kaya ang tumpak na choice for question number 3. Now, again, we are looking for the least common multiple. So again, as we've mentioned, if you see the word least here, you start with your smallest choice. No? Kasi pag tama yung smallest choice mo, tumpak na yung choice na yan. No? So what you do is you simply divide the given choice by the numbers that you see here. Okay, so mag-uumpisa po tayo sa 15 because that is the least of all your choices. Okay, so 15 divided by 5 can be, no? Dapat wala siyang remainder. But 15 divided by 2, merong remainder, no? So, hindi po pwede yung 15, likwak. Okay, now we proceed with the second least number, which is 35. 35 divided by 5 is 7, so po pwede. Pero 35 divided by 2, meron pong remainder, so hindi din po pwede yung letter B. Okay, now what about the next least, no? The 70. 70 divided by 5 po pwede, 70 divided by 2 pwede, and 70 divided by 7 po pwede din. And so, the tumpak na choice is letter D. Okay, so letter D po ang ating tumpak na choice for number 3. Again, hanapin po yung pinakamababa sa inyong choices. If you are looking for the GCF or greatest common factor, hanapin po yung pinakamataas na number muna, no? Kapag katumpak na yung pinakamataas na number, yun na yung inyong magiging sagot. Kasi pag chinek mo lahat-lahat, hindi ka nag-umpisa doon sa greatest, or in the case of your LCM, hindi ka nagsimula sa least, akala mo tama na dahil walang remainder, yun pala meron pang mas mababa in your LCM or meron pang greater in your GCF, then mali po yung inyong magiging sagot. Okay? So, dapat meron kayong techniques na alam. Alright, we move on with question number 4. What is the amount due on 8,000 after adding the annual interest of 9%? Letter A, 11,720. Letter B, 9,720. Letter C, 8,720. Or letter D, 9,020. What is your choice? For those of you who want to send us stars, no, nandyan po sa ating Facebook page. Dapat po sa Facebook page tayo manood. Tapos meron pong stars dyan na icon. Malapit po sa ating comment box. Okay, what is your choice for number 4? Basic lang naman to number 4, no? Simple interest. Okay, what do you think is the tumpak na choice for question number 4? Ma'am Christina Tanse, maraming salamat po for sending us your super sticker. Again, sa ating mga super sticker senders, super chatters, and of course, star senders, maraming salamat po for supporting Gulong Pinoy. Okay, what's your choice? Question number 4 na po tayo. Alright, now once again, please be reminded we are doing our live stream in the Philippines. So pag naputol po, no, maaaring may glitch sa ating internet or pag nawala ng kuryente, alam niyo naman po sa Pilipinas, babalik po tayo. Okay? Alright, I see a lot of letter C's sa ating comment box. Okay, now remember the formula for simple interest would be interest equals principal times rate times time. Okay, so I equals PRT. Again, I here is interest, P is principal, R is rate. That's the number with the percentage sign. Ang principal niyo po, that's the original number borrowed, no? Or the original amount borrowed. And you have T, which means time in years. Dapat po time in years, no? If you are given time in months, you have to divide that by 12 so that you can get the equivalent, no, sa time in years. All right, now going back to your question, you have the principal of 8,000, you have the rate of 9%, you simply drop the percentage sign, and you convert this into your decimal, okay? So you move the decimal point from here, no, 2 times to the left. Kaya yung 9% mo naging 0.09 times 1. Bakit times 1? Wala namang na-mention na years dito. And so we assume that it's only for 1 year, no? Because it has a mention of the term annual, and annual means 1 year, no? So annual means 1 year. Okay, so you have interest equals 8,000, the principal, times the rate of 9% times the time of 1 year. And the answer here would be 720. That's your interest. Adding that to 8,000, your choice would be letter C, 8,720. Okay, so letter C ang tumpak na choice for question number 4. Congratulations sa mga nakatumpak, and of course, better luck next time sa mga ligwak. Okay lang po yan, bawi po tayo. Number 5. Monica obtained the following results from her mathematics exams: 80, 82, 83, and 91. What score must she get on the next exam so that her average score is 85? Letter A, 92, letter B, 93, letter C, 89, or letter D, 85? Okay, what is your choice? This is a question on average. Okay, now we had several questions on this before, no? And I've already taught you how to do this fast, no? Meron na tayong technique sa ating average. So ano kaya yung kailangan niyang score sa next exam para makakuha siya ng average score na 85? Okay, what is your choice for question number 5? Ma'am Cherry May Mike, maraming salamat po for sending 85 stars. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Cherry. Thank you so much po. Okay, what's your choice? Number 5. ICCs sa ating comment box. Karamihang choice nyo ay letter C. Okay, now isang way for you to attack this, of course, is to really use the traditional method of getting your average. Now remember, your average would be the sum of all the scores divided by the number of items. So in this case here, you have 80, 82, 83, 91. Meron kang apat na score. Tapos meron ka pang next exam, no? So what you do is you write 80 plus 82 plus 83 plus 91 plus X divided by 5, and you equate that to 85, no, because we want the average to be 85. Now meron tayong technique na minus add, no, if you can remember. So the first step that you do is you subtract or you minus all these scores here to the given average, no. That's the first step. Minus, again, you subtract or you minus all the scores here to the average or from the average. So you subtract, for example, you say 85 minus 80, 85 minus 82, 85 minus 83, and 85, 91. Again, yung ating pong technique is minus add. Now, after that, you add all the differences that you got. No? So, minus add. So, next step na tayo, add. 85 minus 80 again, that's 5. Then you have 85 minus 2, that's 3, positive 3. 85 minus 83, that's positive 2. Then you have 85 minus 91, that's negative 6. Okay? Now, solving this, you have 10 minus 6, and so the remaining number there would be 4. No? So you added all the differences. Now, after that, you add this number, the answer here, you add this to the given average. No? So you have 85, which is the given average, plus 4 na sum na ng inyong differences dito. And so your answer will be 89. She should get 89 in the next exam so that her average should be 85. And so ang tumpak na choice is letter C, 89 for number 5. Again, just remember, minus add. First you minus or you subtract all the scores from the given average. Then you add all those differences. And whatever the answer is, you add that to the given average. Okay? And so letter C po, ang tumpak na choice. If you are more comfortable with the traditional method of getting the average, then okay din po yun. But of course, that is going to take you a longer time. No? Mas mahaba yung rota natin. Mas mahaba yung time na i-google mo pag ganun yung process na inyong gagamitin. Okay? So number 5 po, letter C, ang tumpak na choice. Number 6, the number of hours spent of review in algebra, chemistry, and English is in the ratio of 4:3:1. How many hours does each student spend for chemistry in a 24-hour review package? Is it letter A, 3, letter B, 6, letter C, 9, or letter D, 12? Okay, what's your choice for number 6? Oh, may nagka-brown out na. Saan kaya yung brown out? Okay, may nag-comment brown out na. Okay, what is your choice for question number 6? Sa mga first-timers natin, welcome po. Welcome. Pasok po, diretso sa kusina. Maghanap ng pagkain habang nagre-review. No? Sana naka-dinner na kayo. Again, remember, our live streams are on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So kahit kami po na maaga kaming naghahapunan kapag Monday, Wednesday, Friday, pinipressure ko na sila. No? Dapat by 5, 5:30 nakahapunan na para past 6 ay nandyan na sa harap ng monitor. No? Kasi I still have to set up everything. Okay, so sana kayo ganun din. Although I know na yung iba sa inyo ay galing pa sa trabaho. So yung iba ay nagre-review habang bumabiyahe, no? Yung iba naman, of course, nanay, tatay, kailangan pa maghanda ng pagkain, kailangan pa ayusin yung mga anak. Okay? And yung iba, online sellers, no? So iba-iba yung klase ng mga kaguro na meron tayo. Pero of course, nababalikan po yung ating video, especially if you are a member of Team Piaget, hindi po nawawala yung video doon. So pwede pong balikan. Full length po yung video and of course, nada-download po yung ating files and nakakapag-answer po kayo ng quiz, no, if you are a member of Team Piaget. So again, magpa-member po kayo if you can. And if you are going to take the LEC in March next year, mag-open na po yung ating bagong team, which is Team Bruner. Ayan, eating while watching, si Ma'am Chessa. Okay, I see a lot of C's. Karamihang choice niyo ay letter C. Tumpak kaya ang letter C? Karamihan kaya tumpak? Or genocide kaya yung mangyayari? We will find out, okay? Now, here is a case of the ratio, no? Partitive. Partitive yung ating hinahanap dito. Different parts of your ratio. Okay, so you are given 3 different subjects, algebra, chemistry, and English, in the ratio of 4:3:1. Now, your students spend 24 hours. No? It's a 24-hour review package. Okay, so your review package nila is good for 24 hours. Now, remember, if you are given this problem, what you do is you divide the total number by the total ratio. So in this case here, total number is 24, and the total ratio, for you to get the total ratio, you simply add all the ratios that are given here. So 4 plus 3 plus 1. So that means 24 divided by 8. No? So 4 plus 3 plus 1, of course, that will give you 8. And 24 divided by 8 is 3. So that means kada parte is 3. And so now, titingnan mo, yung first na subject mo is algebra, 4 parts yung algebra. Second subject mo is chemistry, 3 parts yung chemistry. and English would just be one part. So if you are looking at algebra, algebra would be 4 times 3. Saan nanggaling yung 3? Dito po sa ating sagot kanina nung dinivide natin yung total number by the total ratio. So 4 times 3, that means 12 hours yung ginugugol sa algebra. For chemistry, that would be 3 times 3. So that would give you 9. And of course, for English, that's 1 times 3, and that's equal to 3. Okay? And of course, you can check this. If you add all of the numbers here, your number or your total should be 24. Okay? So dapat 24 po yung iyong total, which is 24, which is correct in this case. And so we were looking for chemistry. And so the correct choice is letter C for number 6. Okay? So letter C po ang ating tumpak na choice for question number 6. Okay, we move on with number 7. Wow, Filipino. Okay, so Filipino, medyo nakapahinga tayo sa math. No? Number 7, Filipino. Ayokong makasama sa lakaran ang mga taong lawit ang pusod. Anong ibig sabihin ng may salungguhit? Or in this case, italicized. No? Hindi ko siya sinalungguhitan. Letter A, kuripot. Letter B, mayabang. Letter C, malaswa. Or letter D, matakaw. What is your choice? Okay, what's your choice for number 7? Ano po yung ating tumpak na choice? Sana wala na lang math, sabi ni ma'am, no? Hindi po pwede, Ma'am Elizabeth Junio. Okay, we have no choice but to love math kahit na mahirap talaga siyang i-love, no? Karamihan kasi sa mga Pilipino talaga ayaw ng math kasi minsan yung math kasi is teacher-based, no? Depende sa naging guru mo. Okay, so meron kang gurong terror sa math or minsan pinapaya ka ng teacher mo sa math, so medyo nagka-phobia ka na once you see numbers. Okay, so nagka-classical conditioning ka na, ng phobia trauma ka when you see numbers sa inyong test. Okay, but we have no choice but to love math and to conquer math para po maipasa natin yung ating licensure exam for teachers. Ma'am El Marie Ragunton Basa, maraming salamat po for sending us 75 stars. Thank you so much po. Okay, what's your choice for question number 7? Okay, ano po yung ating choice? Number 7? Alright, ayokong makasama sa lakaran ng mga taong lawit ang pusod. Anong ibig sabihin ng ating idioma na lawit ang pusod? Kuripot, mayabang, malaswa, matakaw. Okay, po pwedeng matakaw, no? Po pwede din namang malaswa. The sentence would also make sense, no? Pero yung ibig sabihin po ng idiomang lawit ang pusod ay kuripot. Okay, so kuripot. Hindi po siya nag-share, no? Yung karamihan sa ating, or minsan sa barkada, meron naman talagang ganyan, no? Walang ambag sa lipunan, no? Pag kayo ay may gimikan or kayo ay nag-iinuman, walang ambag kahit yelo, no? Meron din naman minsan yung ambag niya ay chika lang, no? Siya yung walking CCTV, siya yung marites sa grupo, no? So chika lang yung kanyang ambag. Wala siyang inambag, kuripot kasi, no? So kuripot po ang tumpak na choice for number 7, hindi po malaswa. Okay, so yung tumpak na choice po natin, hindi mayabang, hindi matakaw, letter A, kuripot po. Although minsan, ayaw nyo din naman makasama yung mga matatakaw na pag meron kayong lakaran. Okay, yung nag-uubos na, yung pulutan lang pero ginawang ulam. Okay, but letter A po yung ating tumpak na choice for this item. We go to number 8. The direct transformation of a solid into the gas phase without passing through the liquid phase is called letter A, sublimation, letter B, compression, letter C, evaporation, or letter D, freeze drying. What's your choice? Bakit kasi may pusod? Kasi may pusod, automatic na isip nyo matakaw. Okay. Number 8, what is your choice? May nagtatanong ilan yung math? Hindi po natin alam, no? Kaya minsan yung quizzes natin, yung quiz na binibigay natin sa inyo every time na meron tayong live stream, no? Iba-iba din po yung percentage ng items. Remember, in your Gen Ed, meron pong 5, no? So, may science kayo, English, Filipino, social science, and math. Okay? Pero we don't know kung ilan yung items ninyo na math, we don't know kung ilan yung items niyo na Filipino, kaya po tayo naghahanda. Ganon din po sa ating drills, no? Hindi din pare-parehas yung ating pagbibigay ng number of items sa ating competencies dahil hindi natin alam kung ano yung makikita ninyo sa inyong actual lab. Kaya tayo naghahanda lamang. Mas mabuti na pong we expect the worst, no, and hope for the best. Okay, so okay lang po. Pag-igihan natin, marami pang time na medyo meron pa tayong time na mag-drills. And remember, if you are a member of Team Piaget, ay prepare po kayo ng inyong papel at ballpen every time that you take the quiz, especially if it's Gen Ed, no? Para makapag-solve kayo for math. Okay. Now, we've talked about this last Friday, not Friday, last Monday na meron tayong phase changes in matter, okay? Now here, you have the different phases of matter. You have solid, liquid, gas, and you have the different processes. No? So from solid to liquid, pag natunaw, you call that melting. From liquid na tubig to gas, you call that evaporation. And from solid, without going through the liquid state, no, to gas, you call this sublimation. Yung tanong natin nung Monday was, naglagay siya ng naphthalene balls, ng mothballs sa kanyang aparador, pagkatapos in a few days nawala na, no? So fumes na lang or smell na lang yung kanyang ang naiwan sa aparador. And so that is sublimation. Okay? So letter A po yung ating tumpak na choice. You have the different processes here. Okay, so gas to liquid is condensation. That is how rain is formed, precipitation, snow, sleet, hail. Condensation po. Then you have liquid to solid is freezing. The opposite naman of sublimation is deposition. Okay? Hindi po compression, evaporation. Hindi po. Freeze drying is another term that we use for deposition. Okay? But here, the tumpak na choice is letter A. Sublimation ang ating tumpak na choice. We go to number 9. Which decimal is equal to 3 over 100 plus 2 over 10 plus 5 over 1,000? Letter A, 0.532. Letter B, 0.0523. Letter C, 0.325. Or letter D, 0.235. What's your choice? Now, usually, yung iba sa inyo ay nahihirapan sa Prof Ed, pero dito po sa Gurong Pinoy, alam kong madadalian kayo sa Prof Ed, no? So, usually, I'd say yung Prof Ed po natin, if you are going to, or if you always join our review, yung Prof Ed po natin, nasa question po yung tamang choice, no? Yung tamang sagot ay nasa question. So, dapat lamang intinding mabuti na reading comprehension usually yung ating Prof Ed. And if we have our live streams on Prof Ed, no, salitan po kasi yung live stream natin, Gen Ed and Prof Ed, ay makinig po kayo, mag-join po kayo para po malinawan kayo, no? Kasi hinihimay-himay natin yung bawat question na meron tayo. Yung iba, si Ma'am Lori Lee, na-rattle daw siya sa timer, no? So yung iba po natin kaguro, yung ginagawa ay minumute yung timer para hindi po ma-rattle, no? Ginagawan din po natin ng paraan na kayo po ay masanay sa drills at masanay sa time limit because of course your actual let is going to be time bound. Meron po kayong limit sa time, no? Hindi po pwedeng i-google nyo lahat ng oras sa isang item, kaya po merong timer yung ating quiz para po masanay din kayo. So, isa pong po pwede nyo gawin as ginagawa din ng iba nating kaguro ay i-mute po para wag tayong kabahan sa timer. Okay, I see this for number 9. Tumpak kaya ang letter D? Okay, now you have the following fractions, no? But of course, these fractions here can be converted into your decimal, okay? Now remember, when you are adding your decimal, dapat lamang yung gagawin mo ay naka-align yung inyong decimal point. So your 3 over 100 here, what this means would be 3 divided by 100. You move the decimal point of 3 2 times to the left, no? Because you are dividing it by 100. So 2 times to the left. Now, if you have a whole number, remember, whenever you have a whole number, yung decimal point po ay nasa pagkatapos ng inyong whole number. No? So, nandito yung decimal point divided by 100. Move the decimal point 2 times to the left. So, 1, 2. Kaya siya naging 0.03. Yung inyong 2 over 10 or 2 divided by 10, move the decimal point 1 time to the left dahil iisa lamang yung 0 mo dito. And so, you have 0.2. Then you have 5 divided by 1,000. Move the decimal point 3 times to the left because you have 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3. That's why you have 0.005. And make sure that your decimal points are aligned and add your decimals. No? So wala kang ibang ina-add sa 5 mo dito. Wala siyang kalinya. So just bring down 5. 3 plus 0 is 3. 0 plus 2 plus 0 is 2. Then, of course, you don't have any items here. No? 0 lamang. So 0.235. The correct choice is letter D. Okay? So, napakasimple lang naman. Ito din yung kadalasang items natin civil service exams. Okay? So, number 9, letter D po ang ating tumpak na choice. We go to number 10. If July 12, 2003 fell on a Tuesday, on what day will July 12, 2005 fall? Is it letter A, Friday, letter B, Thursday, letter C, Sunday, or letter D, Monday? What's your choice? Okay, what is your choice for question number 10? Again, sa ating mga first-timers, welcome po. Sa ating mga team thunders, yung mga matatagal na nating members, welcome din. And of course, Team Piaget, welcome. At yung mga susunod nating i-welcome, of course, yung mga magiging members ng ating Team Bruner. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Emmy Rose Bautista, for sending 75 stars. Okay, what is your choice? Number 10. Okay, number 10, ICBs. B kaya ang tumpak na choice for question number 10. B kaya ang ating choice? Now, for number 10 here, the question is, if July 12, 2003 fell on a Tuesday, Martes, on what day will July 12, 2005 fall? Now, usually, whenever we add another year, we simply add one day, no? So, pag Tuesday, yung inyong 2003, July 12, yung inyong July 12, 2004 is going to be on a Wednesday, no? So, we simply count, no? So, 2003 and 2005, meron kang difference of 2 years, okay? So, from Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, okay? So, that means maaring isipin mong Thursday yung inyong answer. Pero po, yung problema dito, yung inyong 2004, di po ba madadaanan po natin yung 2004, okay? 2004 is a leap year. Leap year po yung inyong 2004. That means meron pong extra day, no? Pagkatapos ng February mo na month, instead of your February ending with just 28 days, meron kang Feb 29. So, meron ka pong extra day. Okay? So, paano mo po malalaman kung ang isang year ay leap year? Your leap years are those years that are divisible by 4, no? So, year 2000, year 2004, 2008, 2012, 2016, 2020 was a leap year. Yung next leap year natin would be 2024. Okay? So, pag divisible siya by 4, that means it is a leap year. So, that means kung 2003 mo, July 12, 2003 was a Tuesday, then 2004, then 2005, no, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you still need to add one more day because dumaan ka sa isang leap year, which was 2004. No? So, 2004, July 12, 2004, hindi po siya Wednesday. Instead of Wednesday, Thursday po siya. Kasi leap year nga ang 2004. And so, your correct choice would be letter yan na po yung ating years, no? 2004 is a leap year, so plus 1 day, your correct choice would be letter A, Friday. Okay? So, Friday po ang ating tumpak na choice for question number 10. Okay? Ligwak, sabi nila, no? Oo nga pala, leap year. Okay? So, number 10 po, Friday po, letter A, yung ating tumpak na choice. Hindi po letter B na Thursday. Okay, we move on with question number 11. The distance between two towns in a given map is 2 and 3/4 centimeters. If 1/2 centimeter represents 6 kilometers, what is the distance between the two towns? Letter A, 18 kilometers. Letter B, 33 kilometers. Letter C, 36 kilometers. Or letter D, 42 kilometers. What is our choice for number 11? Question 11, ano po yung ating tumpak na choice? Okay, let's find out. Number 11. Okay, please put your answer in our comment box. Question number 11, what is your choice?